Hey everyone, Chris again here with another how-to video. And today I wanted to go over something that I thought was really awesome that they recently added into Command, and it's the campaigns dashboard and the ability to access some of the quick posts that they have now. So what I want to do first is click on my handy red button here. Let's click on that. And I'm going to go to campaigns. So if you haven't been in campaigns in a little while, they actually introduced this new campaigns dashboard. And this is a quick way to actually access some of the connected accounts. Also allows you to connect more accounts if you were not going into the settings menu and doing that. So this makes it just like a quicker way to easily access some of the connection settings. As you can always also see, I can see the current accounts that I'm managing under both my paid and social posts, which is pretty awesome. And then they added this recent feature not too long ago. It's the quick post option. And this is awesome because it allows you to create content without having to actually, think up of any of the copy or what type of graphic you want to use. Right now, what they have is some stuff around the consumer app, which is great. And another great thing about it is that it auto populates your consumer app link. So if I wanted to create a nice little post around this graphic here, nice little home, wonder where that's at. Let's click on that little arrow there. And what it's going to do, it's going to auto generate the content. As you can see, I have a nice little set of copy in there. I have my nice little graphic. My DBA logo is also auto-populated in there. And then I can also choose whether or not I want to schedule this in advance or if I want to publish it immediately, which is also super useful because then you can put together content and lay it out for an entire week or an entire month, however you want to do it. I can imagine this being a feature that they're going to expand upon later on with even more types of quick posts. So definitely keep an eye out on this section. But if we go to preview, this is going to give you an idea of what the post will eventually look like once it's actually posted. As you can see, I can preview it from my Facebook business page. And let's click out of here. Now, as I'm good to go, I can either hit schedule, as I mentioned, or I can go ahead and hit publish, and that will publish that immediately. And we are good to go with a quick post. One other thing that they also added in here was the neighborhood videos. And the neighborhood videos can also be accessed from here. This is going to be something related to neighborhood searches. So I might just use Fort Lee as an example here. And then I'll just use, let's do South Fort Lee. We'll hit next. And then what's going to do, it's going to give me some of the average price, home prices, average price per square foot, homes on market for sale, average days on market. Here's some of the neighborhood features: healthy foods, into gardening, and trendy eats. Into gardening and metropolitan, that place is pretty poppin'. Agent information, it's going to populate my agent info, and then I have my market center brokerage information as well, already auto-populated and good to go. Now, under neighborhood info, I can also change this. So if I want to go and get a little bit more detailed with the home pricing or maybe days on market, maybe I did some additional research, I can then go in and I can switch out these numbers. But I'm going to use them and I'm going to hit next. So what it's going to do, it's going to generate that post for me. And it usually takes about 10 seconds, maybe even shorter than that. So let's give it a few seconds to load. And then as this loads, you will notice that the video will auto-populate with all the content we just added in there. So if we click on this, you're going to see this nice little wholesome animation with some music on it. And I'm not going to watch the whole thing, but we can kind of scroll through and see. And it's a good way to promote your app. There we go. It has my nice little business card at the end. And then what I can also do is save and post video. And bam, we already have the post already set up for me and good to go. So that's how you can take advantage of the quick posting system within Command. And this is all underneath your new campaigns dashboard. Again, check it out, give it a go, and let me know what you think.